In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear bumper on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the license plate. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 15mm socket, unscrew the two retaining bolts holding the center of the bumper. Position yourself under the vehicle. Remove the hitch socket and license plate light bulb's power connector. To do this, remove the locking tab using a flathead screwdriver. Then pull on the red tab and remove the connector. Then unclip the clips holding the wiring harness. You can use a fork to help you. Now you need to unscrew the 4 rear bumper retaining bolts. Brush the rear bumper retaining bolts and spray them with penetrating oil. With a ratchet and a 16mm socket, unscrew the first 2 nuts holding the rear bumper in place. Finish unscrewing by hand. Protect the bumper from the hitch with a cloth. Before unscrewing the nuts on the other side, make sure someone is holding the rear bumper to prevent it from falling. Then unscrew the other 2 bumper mounting nuts. The rear bumper is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Depending on what you want to replace, a number of parts need to be removed from the bumper brackets, the lower cover valances, the parking assist sensors, the license plate light, the trailer hitch connector. You can order the rear bumper used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new rear bumper. Put the elements back on the bumper. Once all the parts have been reassembled on the rear bumper, you can reinstall it. Put the new rear bumper in place by inserting the mounting bolts into their slots. Again, have someone hold the rear bumper while tightening the screws so as not to damage the bumper. Then screw the nuts back on by hand at first. Then tighten them until it makes contact with the ratchet. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Then clip all the wiring harness clips back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Then lock it. Replace the locking tab. Remove the cloth. Screw the 2 retaining bolts holding the center of the bumper back in. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Put the license plate back on. Operation complete.